Hey, what's up guys, it's Nick, back with another quick iPhone update tip that could totally save your day. So if your iPhone freezes, crashes, keep boot looping, or get stuck on the Apple logo like this, that's super annoying. Here, I will show 3 fixes to get your iPhone back to normal, whether you've got a computer, another iPhone, or just your frozen iPhone. Let's go. Now, when your phone is suddenly not working well, you can always try a force restart first. I know, it sounds basic, but you'd be surprised how often this just works.
Here's how. Click volume up, then down. Then hold the side button, keep holding it until you see the Apple logo come back up. Once it shows up, you can let go. Give it a second, and sometimes it just boots up normally. Now, if your phone is an iPhone 15 or newer and you've got another iPhone running iOS 18 or later, either yours or a friend's, you can use that second iPhone to help. Here's what you're gonna do. You plug your stuck iPhone into a charger. Then enter recovery mode by doing the same force restart combo, but this time, keep holding the button longer until you see the recovery screen. Now, once you're on the recovery screen, keep clicking the side button. Just keep doing it until the Apple logo blinks. Okay, when that happens, let go. In just a second, you'll see the Apple logo come back, but this time it'll kind of fade in and out, which means wireless recovery is starting. Eventually, you'll see this screen. That's exactly what you want. Just follow the on-screen instructions and it'll walk you through a full system recovery, wirelessly. No laptop, no cables, just iPhone to iPhone recovery. Super easy, especially if you're stuck somewhere without a computer. Alright, if you do have a computer, this method gives you more control. First, install the Apple Devices app on your PC or Mac if it's not already there. Then plug your iPhone into the computer. You'll need to do the same button combo again to enter recovery mode. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, the Apple Devices app will detect it and show you 2 options: update or restore. Always try update first. It attempts to fix the issue without deleting your data. If that doesn't work, restore is your last resort, but that will erase everything, so make sure you have a backup. Now, if you don't want to lose your data but the update still won't go through, you can use a repair tool like ReiBoot. It can fix system issues without wiping your phone. And if you're looking to upgrade to a developer beta or install a specific iOS version, check out my previous video, I go over that in detail there. So yeah, if this helped, drop a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.